In just a few hours, Florida is bracing for the impact of one of nature's most destructive forces, a Category 5 hurricane. With winds reaching speeds of over 157 miles per hour, this isn't just another storm. This is the highest level of intensity a hurricane can reach, and Florida is right in its path. But what exactly does Category 5 mean, and how does it compare to other hurricane categories? The Saffir-Simpson Hurricane Wind Scale categorizes hurricanes based on their wind speeds. Each level represents an increasing degree of damage potential. A Category 1 hurricane has winds between 74 and 95 miles per hour. These storms can cause minor damage, such as uprooted trees and downed power lines, but overall, they're manageable if proper precautions are taken. At Category 2, with winds between 96 and 110 miles per hour, things start getting more dangerous. Roofs and windows can suffer significant damage, and prolonged power outages are common. A Category 3 hurricane is where it really starts to get serious. With winds from 111 to 129 miles per hour, these storms bring devastating damage to homes, tearing off roofs, and making entire areas uninhabitable for weeks, if not months. Then comes Category 4, with winds between 130 and 156 miles per hour. These storms are catastrophic. Entire walls of well-built homes can collapse, and most trees will be snapped or uprooted. Now, we're facing a Category 5. Winds exceeding 157 miles per hour will tear through communities, flattening homes, ripping apart infrastructure, and turning debris into deadly projectiles. The destruction is total, and recovery can take years. We've seen this level of devastation before. In 1992, Hurricane Andrew, a Category 5 storm, leveled entire neighborhoods in South Florida, causing over $27 billion in damage. More recently, in 2018, Hurricane Michael became the first Category 5 to hit the Florida Panhandle, leaving a trail of destruction that some areas still haven't recovered from. State and local governments have already issued evacuation orders for millions of residents, especially those living along the coastline. These areas face the greatest threat from the storm surge, a deadly rise in sea levels caused by the hurricane's winds pushing ocean water inland. Coastal cities like Miami, Fort Lauderdale, and Tampa are at the highest risk, and evacuations are mandatory for many of these regions. For those in mandatory evacuation zones, it's crucial to leave as soon as possible. Roads will become congested, gas supplies may run out, and time is running short. If you're in a safe zone, it's still important to prepare. Stock up on essentials, non-perishable food, water, batteries, and first aid supplies. Power outages could last for days or even weeks. Take care and stay safe, everybody.